how you can delete your Instagram block list without having to unblock anyone. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's just start. First, just open up your Instagram. Now, let us first see our block list. For that, just go to your profile on the bottom right and go to the three lines on the top right. After you do that, just scroll down till you see the block list under who can see your content. Now go to your block list and just take a screenshot. Now after you take a screenshot, just go back to your settings and privacy and scroll down till you find the help center. Now under help, just tap on help and just report a problem. Tap on report a problem and just go on don't include and continue, and just add your screenshot right here. Now after you add your screenshot right here, just type in something along this line and make sure you give it a reason or two to and just hit on send, and you will have reported the problem and your block list will get removed without having to unblock anyone. It's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and bye bye.